As we all know, the spooky season is here. When the leaves change and the air turns crisp. It's time to dive into the beauty of autumn and explore the countless adventures it has to offer. In this video, we'll unveil a treasure trove of fall's finest activities, providing you with a roadmap to a season full of wonder and delight. First of all, not all the activities need to be productive all the time. Some are important for your mental peace as well. So, I have gathered a few amazing and fun activities to do this fall that you will enjoy a lot. Crocheting can be a fun and enjoyable activity to do during the fall season. As the days get shorter and the year comes to a close, having a calming hobby like crocheting can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Leaf painting allows you to express your creativity and skill. You can create art that reflects your personal style and captures the essence of fall. It's a budget-friendly activity since you can find leaves in your local environment for free. Fall is a versatile and exciting season for fashion. It's a time to embrace layers, warm colors, and cozy fabrics. Layering is the secret to fall fashion success. Fall is a great time to mix and match textures, colors, and patterns. Cooking and baking can be a great way to connect with loved ones. Baking in the fall is a delightful way to celebrate the season. Fall-themed cakes, cupcakes, and cookies can be beautifully decorated. So, embrace the season, turn on your oven, and start baking some fall-inspired treats. By selecting fall-themed wallpapers for your lock and home screens, you can instantly get into the autumn spirit. You can use widgets and app shortcuts on your home screen to keep track of fall-related tasks. Seeing these images regularly can motivate you to plan and engage in these activities. Fall brings cooler temperatures, making it the perfect time to snuggle up indoors. Fall-themed or classic autumn movies can be the perfect choice for your movie night. It's an opportunity to bond, share stories, and create lasting memories. Taking a walk allows you to immerse yourself in the beautiful colors of changing leaves. The fallen leaves create a satisfying crunch underfoot as you walk. A walk in the fall is a great way to embrace the season's beauty and enjoy the numerous sensory experiences. Fall is not just a season, it's a feeling. The art of turning a house into a home, wrapped in the warmth of the season. Hang fall-themed window clings or wreaths on your windows. Use the natural elements in your decor, like making a fall centerpiece with your collected items. Have nice and cozy skincare session. The cooler and drier weather can be harsh on your skin, making it the perfect time to pamper yourself and try out new skincare routines and products. Make sure to use those products that suits best for your skin type.